Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a blurry phone camera on your iPhone, whether it's the iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max or any other model. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your phone camera is cleaned and dust and debris can block the sensor. That's why and lock your phone. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe the camera lens. Ensure there's no dirt or smudges to clean the camera. If you recently installed a new screen protector or tempered glass, it might be affecting the camera. Try removing it and see if the quality improves. If necessary, replace it with a higher quality one. Check if the blurriness happens only in certain apps. Open your camera app and take a selfie. Compare it with a photo taken in apps like Snapchat or WhatsApp. If the problem is only in an app, update it. For update your apps, open the App Store and tap your profile icon like this. I will show you. Here you can tap the profile icon at the top of your screen, scroll to upcoming updates and update all option. Then here you can simply update any other app. If you have to a new iPhone 16 Pro running iOS 18, older app version might not be fully compatible. Updating can help fix the issue. Then the next step is the camera setting adjusting. For this, open the settings of your phone, tap the camera option from there, look for lens correction and turn it off. Here is your option and turn it off. Test your camera and see if the quality improves. You can turn it back on and compare. If using Snapchat or another app, open the app, pull down the control center, tap camera controls. If it is set to studio light, it might be cause blurriness. Try switching to portrait, stereo or simply deselect all options for the best quality. If doesn't work, force to restart your iPhone. If the issue persists, try a forced restart. Press and quickly press the volume up button and down button and the space and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Release the slide button of the phones when you see the Apple logo. This resets your phone's software data and won't delete any data. For iOS updates checking, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there and you can see the software update option from there. Tap on it. If an update is available, just install it. Updating your iPhone ensure you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. Hopefully these steps fix your blurry front camera. If they helped, please like and subscribe. If you found another solution, share it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.